welcome back to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. This introduction is going to be short. I am at the waterfall in Williamsport, Indiana. It's called Williamsport Falls, Indiana. This place is amazing, and I thought it would be great to share it with all of you, especially since this week was over sacred space.
Dana, put it down. We're going to go up here. What?
Okay. I have her goggles in the bag. I just love coming out and finding stuff to do in whatever area we're in. Nature has so much to offer, and that is the most magical thing of all, is just going in nature and absorbing the energies that she gives off to you. And this would be an amazing place to do a ritual. And we might do that because it's not super busy today since it was cloudy and it was raining earlier. But I really just had to get on and share with you what I'm seeing. I cannot believe the beauty of this place. From the waterfall to the forest. This is so green and lush. It is beautiful. I hope you're enjoying the video. Mother Earth is so powerful and strong right here that I'm getting goosebumps just talking about it. I hope you are following along and that you're really enjoying this, because I'm absolutely loving bringing it to you. Look at this clearing behind me. What a perfect spot to stick a blanket down and bring your travel altar and do your ritual or workings right here in nature. So close to the elements. Good ones to do in a setting like this involve anything to do with stability, prosperity, foundations, new starts, because you are so close to Mother Earth and the element of Earth that you could just I don't even know. I can't get the words out, but I think you understand what I'm saying. I'm super elated. I feel very grounded and very centered, and that is what it's all about, to get out in nature.
Oh, as I can see, it's really